I'm pretty high up. Okay. Hey, let's go turn up, yo. Hey. Boracay travel budget for under 10,000 pesos. So guys, welcome back to another vlog. Super excited for this series because this is the Boracay travel budget for under 10,000 pesos. So let's see if we can keep the cost low. The game plan is we're actually headed to the airport na. So si Kuya, basta Kuya. Today is April 17, almost 12 o'clock. My flight's at 2 o'clock. I'm gonna stay in Bora for 4 nights, 5 days. The accommodation that we're gonna stay at is at Frendz Hostel. So super excited to see that and can't wait to give you a tour about that. And I'm also gonna meet some fellow creators too. I think there's gonna be 7 of us. So I mean, I'm gonna be the 7th wheel. I think I'm gonna get used to that. We're gonna make sure we sulit this Boracay trip and try to get the cost as low as possible. Alright, so tara to the airport. Sige, sige. Okay, so this is my first time in Terminal 4 and it's mad packed, grabe. I think a lot of these people are going to Bora then. It sucks that I'm going alone though. I miss the squad, pero it's okay. Oh yeah, so before I forget, the cab ride costs like 470 pesos per hour. I'll just deduct 500. Give some tip to Kuya, so subtract 500 to the budget. Now let's wait for this long, super long line, man. It wraps around over here, which is crazy, dude. Hopefully it goes fast.
Bye.
Yes, thank you, ha. Salamat, salamat. Dude, shout out to Ate because she kind of helped me skip the line. Well, not skip, pero she helped me with the line. So shout out to Ate. Alright, hurry up. We only have like 40 minutes left to the flight. Tara. So it's 1:21 p.m. and dang, there's so many people here. Grabe. I hope Bora is not like this. I hope most people left already so we could also enjoy it better. Now my friend Mark, actually, we're gonna meet him later, but he sent me a picture of how Bora looked like. Dang, there's so many people here. I'm gonna post it right here. But yeah, so now we're just waiting for the flight and hopefully we can get there in one piece. So I'll make this series very similar to the El Nido vlog series. We're just gonna put down the itinerary, what we do, how much it costs and stuff like that. And we're gonna meet new people. I've never met the other 6 people before, so it's pretty exciting. Alright, now we wait. Now we wait. Thank you. Our seat number is 17F. Good afternoon, Kuya. So we just got situated now. 17F. Preparing for departure. Well, it was a little bit late, but okay lang. This is more of like a chill vlog. We're like settling in. We've got a plan for the upcoming days. Just to discuss a few things to get to Bora. You need the QR code. And in order to get the QR code, you need 4 things. Valid ID, round trip tickets, your booking confirmation, and upload a picture of your vaxxer or your vaccination card. So that's just for get the QR code and you're good to go. So that's that. I'm gonna do a little bit of editing during this flight and I'll see you in Bora, guys. Alright.
Cabin crew Carl, Demi, Steve, and myself, Kat. Thank you for choosing AirAsia and have a good day.
The golden hour though, so we actually just landed in Katiklan. And the next thing to do is find the van transfer or the shuttle that's going to take me straight to Frendz Hostel. Let's get out of here, my butt is pretty sore. We're sitting for like 3-4 hours, but at least I was able to get some editing done. Tara guys, let's go. Tara, tara. Thank you. Thank you. Then we're finally out. Whew. Jeez, that was a long flight, long delay. Pero punta na tayo, let's go, let's get our luggage. Ready to go to the hostel and let's go. This thing is like a maze. I don't know what to do next. Let's just follow the people, see what they do, then let's do that. So confusing. Alright, yeah, so I think here we just gotta wait for our luggage, pick it up, and then we're gonna go to the van transfer or the shuttle guy. I think I see him, I think they're waiting over there. So yeah, let's wait for our stuff. It's been a long day, less than 5 hours of sleep, but tara lang, let's go, power. Got it. Now let's see where the shuttle is at. Tara man, so many people, grabe, so many. I'm claustrophobic, I can't.
Ano hotel niyo, sir?
Frendz po. So the Atas in Southwest just helped me out real quick, so we gotta get out, find the shuttle, then finally go to Frendz Hostel, man. Oh, what a day.
Hindi! Hindi ka ba?
Mr. Kuya. Frendz Hostel booked me with Southwest, so good thing it's pretty smooth. I think we're gonna go straight to the boat, and I'm sitting here in the shuttle in the back, squeezing with a bunch of people, then they're okay lang, as long as we make it to the destination. And then we're gonna meet with the other creators and plan for the rest of the week. And that's that, man. It's always such an adventure coming to the place where you're traveling in, man. Grabe. So this is how the boat ride looks like. So glad this is all planned out and it's going smoothly. So we get to chill a little bit, pero you go to the reception desk and then you show your QR code and your identification, tapos you get this thing. Basically like a receipt that's saying that you're good to go. Now we're just waiting to ride the boats and hopefully that's pretty fast. But there's a lot of people then actually. I'm just so glad we didn't go out Holy because man, it was intense from the pictures I saw. Ooh. It's getting pretty dark now and we're gonna ride one of those boats over here, and Kuya said it's gonna take like 5 to 10 minutes, so yeah, I just really can't wait, man. Pretty excited though. Getting the butterflies again. Here. So Kuya actually helped me with the luggage there, so I just gave him 30 pesos in tips and that got to budget in. So this is how the boat looks like. Yeah. Not too bad, not too bad. I'll just update when we're there now, okay? It actually only took like 5 to 10 minutes to come here to the island via boat, and now we're about to ride the shuttle, or I'm about to ride the shuttle. I'm actually alone. I'm so used to seeing weird. So it's roughly around 6:40 p.m. right now. I'm just waiting for the shuttle. Oh, what a day of traveling, man. I can feel my body getting super tired, pero I'm just running off of adrenaline. So after that, I was gonna do a quick tour of Frendz Hostel, but then I think that's impossible now because it's pretty dark. So I'll probably do it in some of the future vlogs, because I think this is gonna be a 4 or 5 part series vlog. So we're just gonna go to Frendz to drop off my stuff, then meet up with the crew, with the other 6 creators, because you know I'm the 7th wheel. I think the shuttle is gonna come in a bit. I feel like that's my catchphrase that I keep saying that. But yeah, we always gotta be on the go, you know? Alright, so just got dropped off by Kuya over there, and now headed to Frendz Hostel. We have to go into this like dark, sketchy alley. Alright, let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Damn, bro, you hear that? I already hear the party. Yeah, alright, I'm getting way too excited with the party, pero let's look inside. We're almost there at the Frendz Hostel. It looks lit though. Alright, let's check it out.
Welcome, friends!
Hello po, kumusta? Dito yung check-in kuya. The bar over here. Pool table. Pretty chill. Hi Liza, sa vlog ba? That's Liza, she's been helping me out dito. And it's a pretty chill vibe, man. So we're gonna check in a 5 dorm room for the first night, and then like the other nights it's gonna be different accommodations, but let's check that out later. Right now, let's just check in, man. What's up? Hey! Anong pangalan niyo?
Yo, I'm Greg.
Greg, what's up? What's your name?
Talia.
Talia? You go, bro.
I'm Mati.
Mati, where are you guys from?
Philippines.
Philippines?
Israel.
Israel? Oh, true. No way. That's far.
Argentina.
Argentina?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Alright, Greg's gonna help me out right here.
There we go.
What's up, Greg?
Welcome home, RJ.
Greg, how long have you been working here now, dito?
I've been here for 11 years, bro.
11 years? Whoa.
Yeah.
Man. All the dorms are located in one building? Or?
We actually have 4 buildings and different types of rooms.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
4 buildings. But all in the same vicinity lang then?
Yes, yeah. All the rooms are 5 beds.
Gotcha, gotcha. Okay, hopefully there's no one in there.
There we go. Whoop, whoop. Erin.
Yeah. Oh, nice. It's
Roommate,
AC too.
Erin is-
What up, what up? So you got Aaron over there. What's up, Aaron?
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, so we met a new friend here, Aaron, and he actually has been staying here in Boracay for like 1 month na, diba? Like, and he keeps extending, so I guess something about Bora, man. Like something about Bora drags people here. So yeah, this is the 5-bedroom dorm. Super nice, has AC, and then there's like locker rooms here too. So I was able to get a little bit situated, and it's nice, man. I really like this place. So far so good. I love the vibes. The people are amazing. I'm gonna try to do a tour tomorrow just because it's so late at night already right now, and let's go meet the rest of the group. Yeah, the rest of the creator fam. Tara! Dreams don't work unless you do. This is true, man. This is true right here.
Sorry if I don't know how to cry. I should be mad 'cause you
Alright, bro, open up with a bottle, man.
Bottle to bottle?
Yeah, bottle to bottle. Oh, look at that magic. Look at that magic, though. Ain't no pressure. Dang. Alright, guys, so we're finally here at Bora. We met the group at Mason's, or I met the group at, I keep saying we because I'm so used to traveling with the squad, man. I'm here with the new people, so say what's up, Mark. Hey, from New Zealand, what's up, man?
Finally made it happen.
Finally, dude, we've been talking about meeting up for like the past year, bro.
Dude,
Like,
he's got such a big squad, and now he's got another squad.
Yeah, I got
here.
another squad. Let's go turn up. No, just kidding. Alright, this is Carina, Mark's significant other. Yeah, what up, what up? And then this is Trisha, who's a local in Bora. So if you need a tour guide, she's the one to go to. This is Caesar right here, a local dude. Yo, what up?
Czar.
Oh shit! My bad. My bad. All right, my bad. It's Czar's, and then Zoe. Hey, let's go. All right.
First night in Bora.
So yes, sir. So they are gonna be the squad for this Bora trip. It's 4 nights, 5 days, and I'm so excited, man. So glad to finally introduce you guys to them, and it's my first time meeting them too. So
Man, can't wait. Can't wait to
you
see what's
can't,
happening.
right, bro.
Oh, dude,
Hey,
yeah.
how's Philippines so far? Like the past.
17 days in the Philippines.
17 days.
It's gone so fast. Like literally, I have all the scars from Oslo to
Damn,
canyoneering.
man. That's
Dude,
how you know.
I feel like it's so nice to be able to connect with everyone here in
Yeah,
Bora.
exactly.
And finally
exactly.
to meet RJ.
Yes, sir.
He
Yes,
was the
sir.
first one in LCA.
Hey. Yeah, we actually met everyone here through a group called LCA, Lost Creator Academy. But yes, sir.
Yes,
Cheers.
sir.
Hey, cheers to a good night, man. For the content, for the good night. Yo, hey, let's go, let's go. Cheers, guys.
Wait, what's this? I was like,
He's like, yo, what's that? Alright guys, so yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's been such a long day. And tomorrow, I don't know what the game plan is, but we're gonna figure out the game plan. But this is gonna be a 4 or 5 part series, alright? Squad safe, peace out. Later,
out.
see you guys in part 2. Alright, later.